Hi guys, you're welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can sell your Hamster Kombat token or your Hamster Kombat coin on your Binance P2P so that you can be able to get or withdraw your money into your bank account. P2P trading will enable you to sell your Hamster Kombat token and then receive the equivalent in your local currency directly into your bank account. In my previous video, I received so many comments that I should make a video on how you can actually do the P2P trading on Binance, and that's the reason I'm actually making this video right now. In the previous video, I showed you guys how you can sell and convert your Hamster Kombat token to USDT on the trading platform. I also showed you guys where you can find your Hamster Kombat token once it has been distributed to everyone. I also showed you guys how you can transfer your Hamster Kombat token from your funding account to your spot trading account and the rest of them. So in this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can sell your USDT on the Binance P2P trading platform so that you can be able to withdraw your money into your bank account. Remember, I showed you guys how you can convert your Hamster Kombat token to USDT, so I won't be doing that again. So if you missed my previous video, I would encourage you to go and watch those videos. I'm going to be leaving the link in the description of this video and also in the comment section. Tap on the link so that you can be able to watch and learn how you can be able to sell and convert your Hamster Kombat token to USDT, which is a stable coin that represents the US dollar in the crypto market. So guys, in this video now, I will show you guys how you can do the P2P trading on Binance. So guys, now the first step you have to take now is to tap on your Binance logo. You can see the Binance logo there at the top left corner. So guys, let me tap on it right away. So guys, now the next step you have to take now is to tap on where you can see P2P. You can see there the arrow is pointing at it. So let me tap on it right away. So guys, now you can see here's the Binance P2P trading platform. This is where you can be able to sell your Hamster Kombat token, your USDT. This is where you can be able to sell your USDT. So guys, now you can see where it is written buy and sell. So guys, now what you have to do now is to tap on sell. As you can see there, buy is selected, but you have to tap on sell. You can see there the arrow is pointing at it. So let me tap on sell now. So guys, now you can see sell has been selected. So guys, now the next important step you need to take now is to choose your currency. So guys, now you can see at the top there USDT is selected. USDT means the US dollar. So guys, you have to choose your country. You have to choose your country currencies. So let me tap on this right away. So guys, now what you have to do now is to type in the currency of your country. Guys, let me type in the Nigerian Naira. Let me type in the Nigerian Naira NGN. So guys, now you can see right here the Nigerian Naira is not actually available right here. So guys, if you're Nigerian and you're actually watching this video, you want to learn how you can actually sell your USDT on the Binance P2P trading platform, you can see right here that you can't find the Nigerian Naira. That's because the P2P feature has actually been banned in Nigeria. If you're a Nigerian, you can't actually use the P2P feature on Binance. So guys, this is the problem we're actually having as Nigerians. So if you're from any other country, you can actually go ahead to use the P2P trading platform. You can use it here, you can use it in Binance, but as you can see here for Nigerians, they can't actually use the P2P trading platform in Binance. But guys, for a Nigerian like I am a Nigerian, I'm going to be showing you guys an alternative way that you can actually sell your USDT so that you can get your money into your bank account. You don't need to bother yourself. There are actually numerous ways that you can actually do that. I'm going to be showing you guys one of the ways which is actually the easiest that you can actually use to sell your USDT after you must have converted it from Hamster Kombat to USDT. I'm going to show you guys how you can sell it to get your money into your account. So guys, the alternative method is to get a Bybit account. You have to get a Bybit account. So guys, in case you don't have a Bybit account, what you have to do is to create one. And in case you don't know how to create one, you don't need to bother yourself. I've already made a video on that. So what you have to do is to go over to the description of this video. I'm going to be leaving the link on how you can actually create a Bybit account. Tap on the link, they'll be able to learn how to create a Bybit account. And after you've created your Bybit account and you verified it using your ID card or any other verification means, what you have to do next now is to transfer your USDT from your Binance account to your Bybit account. Yes, you have to transfer your USDT, your crypto, from your Binance account to your Bybit account. After you must have converted your Hamster Kombat token to USDT, that USDT that you've got, you have to transfer it from your Binance account to your Bybit account. So guys, you have to do that. I'm going to be showing you guys how you can actually do that right now. How you can actually transfer your USDT from your Binance account to your Bybit account. It's in the Bybit account that you can actually do the P2P trading. In Bybit, Nigerians can actually do P2P trading where you can be able to sell your USDT and get your money into your bank account. But it's unfortunate that in Binance we can't find the Nigerian currency, which is Naira, so we can't actually do P2P trading on Binance. We can't actually sell our USDT. So guys, now what I will do now is to show you guys how you can actually transfer your USDT from your Binance account to your Bybit account. So guys, now let me go back now. That being said, let me show you guys how you can convert, how you can actually transfer your USDT from your Binance account to your Bybit account. So guys, now let me go back to the home page. So guys, now you can see I'm back to the home page of my Binance account. So guys, now the first step you have to take now in order to transfer your USDT from your Binance account to your Bybit account is to go over to your Bybit account. So guys, now after you've created your Bybit account, what you have to do now is to tap on it to open it. So let me go out of Binance real quick. So guys, now you can see I'm on my Bybit account. So guys, now the next step you have to take now is to tap on where you can see deposit/buy with fiat/P2P. You can see that the arrow is pointing at it. So let me tap on this right away. I want to show you guys how you can be able to copy your deposit address for USDT. So guys, now the next step you have to take now is to tap on where you can see deposit crypto. So guys, let me tap on deposit crypto right away. We actually tap on deposit crypto because we're going to be depositing our USDT that is in our Binance account into our Bybit account. So guys, now the next step you have to take now is to search for USDT. So you have to scroll through here, but in case you can't find USDT, you can just tap on the search icon at the top. You can see the search icon there. So let me tap on the search icon. So after that, what you have to do right away is to type in USDT. So let me type it in, USDT. Then let me tap on search. So guys, now you can see the USDT right there. You can see there the arrow is pointing at it. That's the first option. You can see it, USDT Theta, USDT Theta. So guys, let me tap on it right away. So guys, now you can see the next step. The next step you have to take now is to choose the chain type. That means you have to choose the network. So guys, what you have to do now is to choose the network that you want to use. You can decide to use ERC20 or TRC20, or you can decide to use BIP20, which is Binance chain. You can decide to use Ton. You can see Ton right there at the bottom. So guys, let me use BIP20. Let me tap on it right away. That's the network I want to use. So guys, now you can see the network has been chosen. You can see there BIP20. So guys, now what you have to do now is to copy this address. This is the address of your USDT. This is the address you're going to be depositing your USDT from your Binance account to your Bybit account. So guys, now let me tap on copy now to copy the wallet address for my USDT. So let me copy it now. So guys, now you can see, take note, the network I actually chose is BIP20. So guys, take note of that. So I've copied the address now. So what I have to do now is to go over to my Binance account. So let me go back to Binance real quick. Let me tap on my Binance app to open it. So guys, now you can see my Binance app is opening. So what I will do now is to go and deposit my USDT, or I have to withdraw from my Binance account to deposit into my Bybit account. So guys, now you can see I'm back to my Binance account. So what I have to do now is to tap on wallet. You can see where it is written wallet. So let me tap on it right away. So guys, now the next step you have to take now is to tap on where you can see withdraw. You can see there the arrow is pointing at it. So let me tap on it. I'm going to be withdrawing from my Binance account to deposit into my Bybit account. So guys, now the next step you have to take now is to tap on withdraw. So let me tap on withdraw. So guys, now the next step you have to take now is to actually look for USDT. So guys, now you can see USDT right there. The arrow is pointing at it. But in case you can't find it there, just use the search icon at the top. Let me tap on the search icon there. Then let me go ahead now to type in USDT. Then let me tap on search. So guys, now you can see USDT there is at the top. So what you have to do now is to tap on it to select it. So let me tap on it right away. So guys, now you can see the next step. You can see what's written there, withdraw. So you have to go for the first option, which is written send via crypto network. So guys, let me tap on it right away. You can see the arrow pointing at it. So guys, now this is where you're going to be able to do the transfer from your Binance account to your Bybit account. So guys, now you can see the first option there where it is written address. So guys, now what you have to do now is to paste the address that you copied from your Bybit account. So let me paste it right away. Let me paste it right quick. So guys, now you can see I've pasted the address there. So guys, now the next step you have to take now is to impute the network. You can see where it is written network. So let me tap on it. Remember, the network we actually chose is what? BIP20. Remember, I told you guys you have to remember it. So guys, now you can see the network right there. That's the first option, BIP20. You can see it there. So guys, make sure the network you actually chose in your Bybit account is actually the one you're going to choose in your Binance account. So guys, make sure of that. I know I'm actually repeating this. If you don't choose the right network, you might be losing your token. So guys, now you can see it there, BIP20. That's the right network. That's the one I actually chose on my Bybit account. So guys, let me tap on it right away to select it. Yeah, so guys, now you can see the network I chose has been selected. So guys, now the next step you have to take now is to impute the amount of USDT that you want to transfer from your Binance account to your Bybit account. Let's say you converted 1000 Hamster Kombat and it gave you 50 USDT. You can decide to impute 50 USDT right here, or you can decide to impute something less, whichever amount that you want to transfer from your Binance account to your Bybit account. Just go ahead to do it. So you can decide to tap on max. So let me tap on max. So guys, now you can see all the USDT that I have in my Binance account has appeared here. You can can see there, it has appeared. I have 0.1337997 USDT. So guys, now you can see it's less than 1 USDT that I have. So if you have 50 USDT, you can go ahead now to transfer it. If you have anything more or less, just go ahead to transfer. So guys, now after you're done selecting the amount, after you're done inputting the amount of USDT that you want to send from your Binance account to your Bybit account, what you have to do now is to tap on where you can see withdraw. But before I go ahead now to tap on withdraw, you can see the network fee is actually 0. So I'm not being charged for actually transferring my USDT from my Binance account to my Bybit account. So guys, now after you're done confirming all of this, after you're done confirming the address, the network, the amount, what you have to do now is to tap on withdraw. So guys, let me tap on withdraw right away. So guys, now you can see the withdrawing is not working. You can see the notification that just popped out. You can see withdrawal must be at least 10 USDT. So guys, now you can see the USDT that I have in my Binance account right now is less than 10. It's even less than 1. So guys, now this is what you have to take note of. If you want to transfer your USDT from your Binance account to your Bybit account, make sure it is more than 10. Minimum 10 USDT. Minimum is the least. 10 USDT is the least rather. So guys, you have to make sure you have more than 10 USDT. So guys, after you've inputted the quantity of USDT, which should be more than 10 USDT, you should tap on withdraw. After you tap on withdraw, you're going to receive your USDT into your Bybit account. So guys, now after you have it in your Bybit account, the next step you have to take now is to go over to the P2P trading platform. So let me go over to my Bybit account right away. So once you get to your Bybit account, you have to go over to the P2P trading platform. Let me tap on my Bybit account. So guys, now you can see I'm back to my Bybit account. So once you get here now, what you have to check first of all is to check the USDT that you transferred from your Binance account to your Bybit account. So what you have to do now is to tap on assets. You can see down there, so let me tap on it. So after that, what you have to do now is to tap on funding. You can see funding right there. That's where you're going to find your USDT. Let me tap on funding. So once you tap on funding, what you have to do now is to tap on the search icon right there. So let me tap on it now. There is search for USDT. So let me type in USDT. Then you tap on search. So once you tap on it now, you're going to see your USDT crypto right there, and you will notice that your balance will increase. If you send 10 USDT from your Binance account to your Bybit account, you'll notice that the balance of your USDT must have increased by 10. So guys, that's how it works. Once you've noticed that the money has come, the USDT has come into your Bybit account, the next step now is to go over to the Bybit P2P trading platform. So let me go back to the home page now. So guys, now you can see I'm back to the home page of my Bybit account. The next step you have to take now to go over to the P2P trading is to tap on where you can see P2P trading. You can see it right there, the arrow is pointing at it. So let me tap on it right away. So guys, now you can see the P2P trading platform is opening. So guys, now after it opens up, then you can go ahead now to actually sell your USDT. On P2P, you can actually trade your USDT or any other crypto if you're in Nigeria. So guys, now you can see at the top right there, you can see where the currency, the arrow is pointing. You can see that the currency right there is Nigerian. You can see there NGN, that means Nigerian Naira. So guys, now you can see if you're a Nigerian, you can actually use this Bybit now to actually sell your USDT and get your money into your bank account. So guys, now I'm not going to go through the process of actually using this P2P trading platform. So guys, I'm not going to go through the process on how you can actually use this P2P trading platform. I've already made a dedicated video on how you can actually use the P2P trading platform to sell your USDT, to sell your Hamster Kombat token. So what you have to do is that go over to the description of this video, or you can go over to the comment section. I'm going to be leaving the link to the video that will teach you on how you can actually use this Bybit P2P to sell your USDT, to sell your Hamster Kombat token and get your money into your bank account. So guys, I've already made a dedicated video. Just go over to the description or go over to the comment section, tap on the link, they'll be able to learn how to do it. So guys, now I've been able now to show you guys how you can be able to sell your Hamster Kombat token on your Binance using the alternative rail, which is Bybit. So guys, now I've come to the end of this video and I believe you got value from this. If you did, do well to like, subscribe and leave a comment. And also, if you're new to our YouTube channel, don't forget to hit the bell notification so that whenever I release a new video like this one, you're gonna get notified. See you in our next upload. Bye bye, peace.